Hello students, I hope you all are good and you have gone through previous two sessions of chapter 4 practical geometry. So today I am here with third session of the same chapter 4 practical geometry. Let's start with today's session. Exercise 4.4 Question 1. Construct a quadrilateral DEAR where measurements you are given are sides DE is equal to 4 cm, EA is equal to 5 cm, AR is equal to 4.5 cm, angle E is equal to 60 degree and angle A is equal to 90 degree. So this is the construction where you are provided with measurements of 3 sides and 2 angles. So we'll begin with EA 5 centimeter. So first step is draw EA with 5 centimeter length and I'll name it as EA 5 centimeter. Next we have to construct an angle of 60 degree at point E. So for that, taking random radius E as center, we'll put one arc like this, and from this point of intersection I'll put one more arc with the same radius, and then we will join this point of intersection and E will be extending the line like this. So this we are done with construction of 60 degree angle at E. Now at A we have to construct the angle of 90 degree. So again taking A as center, we'll put one arc, then first arc of 60 degree, second arc of 120 degree, then again extending this arc like this, and from here again intersecting the third arc. So this point of intersection, if we'll join with A, then we will get 90 degree angle or say right angle at A. Okay, so we are done with one side and two angles. Now we have to take the measurement EA 5 centimeter. For that, EA 5 centimeter we are done with. We have to go for DE 4 centimeter. So we'll take 4 centimeter radius, and from E we'll put the arc. From E I'll put the arc, and this point I will name it as D. Okay, so now last one is AR. So from A we have to draw the arc of 4.5 centimeter. So for that, this is 4.5 centimeter. So from A I'll put the arc of 4.5 centimeter radius. So DEA, and last we are left with is R. Now last step is we will join R and D. Students, you have to be careful, don't join this D over here. We have to join this D at R, which is the point of intersection of this ray with the R. So this is DR. So DE we have is 4 centimeter and AR we have is 4.5 5 centimeter. Okay, so this is the required quadrilateral DEAR. Exercise 4.5. Question 1. Construct a square read READ with RE is equal to 5.1 centimeter. So students, here we are given only one measurement, that is side of a square, which is 5.1 centimeter. So here we are going to recall the special properties of special quadrilaterals like a square, that all sides of a square measures same and all four angles are 90 degree. So let's begin with the construction. First we will start by drawing RE 5.1 centimeter. So here I'll draw one line segment that is of 5.1 centimeter. It is 5.1, so this is 5 and 1, so this is 5.1 centimeter, and I will name it as RE, and I'll write the measurement dimension, that is 5.1 centimeter. Now we have to draw right angle at R and E. So for that I'll take a random radius, taking R as center. I'll put one R. Same will repeat from E. Now from this point of intersection I'll make one arc for 60 degree. One more I'll put for 120. Same I'll repeat over here, this side, 60 and 120. Now taking this radius, I'll put one arc over here from this point and from this point. Same I'll repeat this side also. So this is over here, and from here one more arc. So this will give me 90 degree angle over here and at E also. So this R is 90 degree and this E is also 90 degree. Now we know that, as I said, all the sides of a square measures same. So again next step will be, I'll take the radius of 5.1 centimeter, and from R I'll put one arc over here and one from E, taking E as center, and this points of intersection I will name RE, then it should be A over here and D over here. And the last step is joining A and D. So this is the required square READ with RE is equal to 5.1 centimeter, and obviously rest of the sides will also be measuring same. So let's write the measurements over here, 5.1 everywhere, and this D is also a right angle and this A is also a right angle. Exercise 4.5. Construct a parallelogram OKAY with OK is equal to 5.5 centimeter, KA is equal to 4.2 centimeter. One more question is there, is it unique? So first we have to construct the parallelogram, and then we will come to know if the given parallelogram is unique one or not. So first, starting with OK 5.5 centimeter, we will draw a line segment OK with 5.5 centimeter length, and we will name it as OK. Now we have to construct a parallelogram. So for that, we know that the opposite sides, they are parallel. Here degree of angle is not given, so you can choose any angle. Here I am choosing 60-degree angle. So for that, what I'll do is, taking random radius and O as center, we'll put one arc from O, and same will repeat taking K as center. Now with the same radius, I'll put one arc from this point of intersection, so this will give me 60 degree. Now at this point K, if I want to draw 60-degree angle, but because it is a parallelogram, the external angle will be 60 degrees. So over here what I'll do is, I'll just extend this line with dotted one, so that I'll get the point of intersection over here. And now using the same radius, I'll draw an arc. So now if I'll draw this line from here, then this outside angle will be 60 degree, and at O this internal angle will be 60 degree. So this is 60 degree, and this external will be 60. Because it is a parallelogram, we have to draw one internal angle 60 degree and another external angle 60 degree. Now next is KA, we have to take 4.2 centimeter. So for that, using a scale, I'll take the measurement of 4.2 centimeter. Here it is 4.2. So from K, I'll put an arc, and same I'll repeat from O also, because opposite sides are of equal length in a parallelogram. And last, I will join these points. Before that, I'll name them OK, then this should be A and this should be Y. So next I'll join this AY. So this is the required parallelogram OKAY, where OK is 5.5 centimeter, YA is opposite side, so this will also be 5.5 centimeter, OY will be 4.2 centimeter, and same KA will also be 4.2 centimeter. So students, before we end this session, I would like to share an easy tip so that you can measure the radius easily. For that, what you have to do is, before starting any construction, you will make a virtual scale on the page, as I have done it over here, so that it will be easier for you to take the measurement of any radius. Suppose I have to take the radius of 4 centimeter, then what I will do is, I'll use this virtual scale. I'll put one point over here and I'll measure 4 centimeter like this, and I'll get radius of 4 centimeter, and then I will use this measurement to draw the arc. Suppose the next arc I have to put is of 4.5 centimeter, or say 5.5 centimeter. For 5.5 centimeter, what I'll do is, this is 5 centimeter and this is 5.5 centimeter. So this is the radius I have taken, 5.5 centimeter, and now I'll put the arc of 5.5 centimeter. So this is the easier way to measure the radius on the compass using the virtual scale. Now we are ending this session over here. Before that, I would like to tell you that whatever the sums we have not discussed in this session, all the sums you have to do it by yourself as a homework. Keep practicing and keep revising so that it will be easier for you to understand the topic. Thank you so much.